Number 9. The Contigo Luxe Vacuum-Insulated Stainless Steel Thermal Travel Mug is a reliable and stylish companion for anyone on the go. With a generous capacity of 16 ounces, this travel mug is designed to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether you're commuting to work, going on a road trip, or simply enjoying a day out, this mug ensures that your drinks stay hot or cold as desired. One of the standout features of the Contigo Luxe mug is its spill-proof and leak-proof design. The auto-seal technology provides a convenient one-handed drinking experience while preventing accidental spills, making it an ideal choice for individuals with active lifestyles. Furthermore, the vacuum-insulated stainless steel construction guarantees exceptional heat retention, keeping your hot drinks hot for up to 5 hours and your cold beverages cold for up to 12 hours. In addition to its exceptional performance, this travel mug is also dishwasher safe, allowing for easy and hassle.